Two flavors.
Woo!
Would you like to join in?
Njagala
Would you
fries.
like to join in? We already have one flavor in.
Ebyesuubo tugende nga tulidde wala.
Just trying to sleep.
Let's go. Sun. Oh, winding down the summer, getting ready for books. Wow, it's not easy. It's okay. Maybe he wants some sun.
No.
Don't cover him.
Enter North York Central Station. Doors will open on the right. Please stand clear of the doors. Next station is Shepherd Young Station. Change for line 4.
Two flavors.
Woo!
Would you like to join in?
Njagala
Would you
fries.
like to join in? We already have one flavor in.
Ebyesuubo tugende nga tulidde wala.
They're nice.
For any large fries, guys. Just one more to get started for any large fries. Yeah, let's go.
Still on the ground.
You were standing there because they're sick of me
Did you know that? Did you know exercise means extra fries?
There you go, alright.
It's blurry.
You, the guy got all 4 wins. You can't let them in that beat, but you can't let your brother beat. I got you. Trying again.
We need 5 for the big
Michael
one.
Jackson.
3 or 4.
Come on down the side.
Whoa! Hold on a second. I'll be with you in a second. 2, 3 or 4. We put these guys 5 or more. We put all the big guys. Yep. Nice. Okay, last call on the good side, guys. You guys want to play? Huh?
Emiria. Try to get. Oh, she got a fish. Wow. How many are you getting? How many is she supposed to get? How many fish? Oh, 3. Okay. Wow. Yay. That's it, Emiria. 3 fish. Choka ya chagala kuloba. Omulaba. Eyo kumpi. Bayinza nogana sife twasasudde $1.
Christmas. Yeah.
I think he's stopping. Speed dependent.
Oh
my, laba bando mukama.
And they switch besides them.
I think he's stopping. Speed dependent. Oh my, laba bando mukama.
And they switch besides them.
Emilia, give Claire space.
Okay, so each one of these is $5 bet.
Emilia.
Put $5 down on whichever one you want. Any single one. There's 14 chances.
Give Claire space.
Want it right there? Okay. Now you get to throw this, and if it lands on that, you win. Okay?
Oh my God.
So look, you've got 8 roll right here. Right? So if you throw it and it lands on this side up like this, you get any prize you want. So you get to throw it in there. Now here. Right in there, yeah. Try your luck, try your luck. You have an offer. Oh, it's this one. If you'd like, you can try again. It's only another $5.
We're getting duped by the USA.
We go for these prizes over here for 2 people.
Claire.
Alright, you guys ready? Alright, guys, when you hear the bell, hit that button as hard as you can, okay? And go, 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 hit the button. Alright, these cards go, guys. Look at these cards go. All the cards go. Alright, guys, keep it going, keep it going. Go, play, 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 play. We have a winner down here at number 5. You're only 3 off.
Claire, you've won, eh? Ah, that's nice. Let me see.